Lily pets a puppy, Lily hugs her cats. She holds a little bunny and feeds her goat some snacks. Now Lily feels hungry.
A banana, what a treat!
Hear her fingers shout, "Wait, don't bring us near to eat." Please, please wash us, we are very dirty. Sticky and icky, everything gets murky. I twist on the faucet, some soap in my hands. Slippery and foamy, it splishes and splashes. So clean, shake, scrub, wiggle, try.
Whee!
Jack is in the garden, Jack plays in the dirt. Then he helps his grandpa,
Oh no,
his shirt got hurt. Now Jack needs some water, he hurries to the sink. Hear his fingers whisper,
wee! Yucky, what do you think?
"Please, please wash us, we are very dirty. Sticky and icky, everything gets murky." Mom was taking compost and slipped, oh yikes, what mess. Leaves and food and wrappers, she's in a bit of stress. Now she grabs a sandwich.
Wait, let's not be rash.
Look at all those fingers, they really need a splash. Please, please wash us, we are very dirty. Sticky and icky, everything gets murky. I twist on the faucet, soap goes on again. Slippy, slidey bubbles, it squishes and splashes. So fun, shake, rub, wiggle, try. Done, yay! If you've been on the loo, well, you know what to do. Wash us, wash us, wash us, we're counting on you.